right, welcome Junior with HVAC Our Finest. I just want to share a few things about how to reduce your energy bill today. Okay, we're going to talk about some key points. Regular maintenance is crucial. Regular inspection, sealing up your ducts, T-stat, your thermostat. You got to manage your thermostat. Have a programmable thermostat and optimize the temperature settings. Want to upgrade your system, make sure that it's up to date with the latest and greatest. We want to make sure that you have zoning capabilities if you need it. Use your ceiling fans, right? Make sure your windows are treated. Make sure you have drapes. Make sure you prevent the sun from coming into your home during the summer. In addition to that, as always, use the natural lighting or the natural ventilation when you can. All right, thank you for watching Junior with HVAC Our Finest. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.